If you're a woman who's gone through a divorce and you're sitting there thinking, I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of my life, I don't even know who I am anymore, this video is for you. Because the truth is, you don't just need to find yourself. It's not that you're lost, even though it might feel like that right now. But what you need to do is to rebuild yourself. Let me share with you what I mean by that. A lot of women in midlife don't just lose the relationship when they go through a divorce, they lose their identity. This is not always talked about, but you're a wife, a partner, maybe a mom, you're probably half of the financial equation, help be caregiving and take care of each other and plan vacations, a lot of things. And suddenly all of that shifts. It's over, it's gone. And no one really tells you what to do next. You are left to figure it all out on your own, or you ask advice from someone else, perhaps going through the same thing, but they may be feeling just as disoriented as you do. Most advice tells you, oh, you just need to go heal and to get some clarity. Absolutely. Healing is important and clarity is always part of the equation, but that's not enough because it's not enough because the version of you that existed before, well, she was built around a life that no longer exists. And then that can create a lot of shame, a sense of failure, a sense of lack, and a lot of isolation. So, based on my own history of going through a lot of that feeling, and more than once, I eventually got through it and became a life coach for women. I offer next chapter life coaching. My name is Teresa Salhi, but what I created is the identity reset method. There's three simple steps that are very powerful, and it's a place to start. Let me explain that to you. The first one I call detach. You have to detach from the identity that you are living, not just the relationship itself with the other person, but all the roles, expectations, and the version of you that came with it, who you showed up being, how you showed up being, the conversations, the experiences, the beliefs that that created in you. And I'm also going to suggest to go deeper and to look at the invisible operating system that's talking to you silently, or maybe not silently, but whispering to you in the background of your life, in your heart, in your mind, in your nervous system, creating all those feelings that maybe you're from somebody else, from a past experience, from beliefs that really didn't necessarily belong to you, but they showed up in the relationship too. That's part of the roles. Step two is extract. This can be the beautiful, fun part of this. It's to extract who you really are underneath all of that, underneath those roles and that invisible operating system. Your real desires, values, your voice, what you actually want now. Even if you don't know what that is right now, it's okay. It's important to get get yourself into that woman, who that is. What does she want? Who does she want to become? What does she want to experience in her future? And then to create a container around yourself with tools and processes in place to guide you deeper into yourself so that you can rediscover, remember, and rebuild. And then allow the self actualization of who you can be beyond the past to reach into the future and build your life there. If you have ever felt invisible or maybe felt it wasn't safe to be visible or even to speak your truth, This will definitely help with all of that too. And then step three is to rebuild. The identity reset method is intentionally designed to help you rebuild to who you are becoming, not based on your past, but based on who you're becoming for your future. Once you detach from the past and the past identity and those old beliefs, and then once you extract your new life desires, your new self identity needs, the rest is rebuilding into that. It's time to rebuild and create the life that you deserve at this point in your life. There's no keep falling backward, but to leap forward. It's a very exciting process. This is why so many women feel stuck or get stuck over and over again. And I can personally attest to that more than once. They're trying to move forward, and I did that by remarrying very shortly after a divorce, and that didn't work either. So I can speak from firsthand experience when trying to move forward without rebuilding who I'm supposed to become and who you want to become first. If this is anything that resonates with you, I'll be sharing more about this and go a little deeper even. And the process is step by step in upcoming videos. So make sure that you're subscribed. And I'm also creating a downloadable document. That's not quite ready yet, but I'll share with that in the next video. And if you want to hear more, dive a little deeper right now, don't want to wait for the next video, that's okay too. You can actually schedule a complimentary consultation with me, and I can share it with you personally and how it might help you right now. So I'll put a link to that in the description as well. So I hope those 3 steps help you to get the reset going for you. And in the meantime, hope you have an amazing day. I hope to see you again soon. This is Teresa from Empower the Dream and Next Chapter Life Coaching for Women, signing off. Namaste.